Hey guys! So last week after I posted my gnocchi recipe, I got a lot of messages asking me which tomato sauce I use to serve it. So today I decided to share with you my very easy tomato sauce you can use to serve your pasta, pizza, and gnocchi. So follow me. You're basically gonna need tomatoes and whatever herbs and spices suits your taste. I'm using leek as I'm a lover, garlic and thyme, but you can use basil, rosemary, whatever suits your taste. So let's do it.
Enchanté.
So can you believe you have your own tomato sauce in just 20 minutes? Very practical and free from preservatives. I hope you and your family enjoy it. Don't forget to share with your friends and see you next recipe.